जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है। जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है।
Miss Supranational is beyond any one person. It is about bringing the best of glamour, fashion, and natural beauty, most importantly. It is about appreciating beauty, creating a new trend of glamour and fashion, and the belief that the world is indeed a better place if only we see the natural beauty it beholds. For me, winning this crown is about making my country proud, and there is no better feeling than that.
There are many ways by which people judge you, and style is definitely one of them. The pageant that I was a part of, Miss Supranational, it's all about style, fashion, glamour at the same time, not losing the essence of your natural beauty, your grace and your elegance. My style statement is very simple. Comfort comes before my style. You wear anything that you want, but you should be comfortable in your own skin. तो आप जो भी पहनोगे, आप उसको कैसे कैरी करोगे, आप उसमें कितना कॉन्फिडेंटली वॉक करोगे, तो वो उसमें दिखेगा आपका स्टाइल, आपका एलिगेंस, आपका ग्रेस. Your personality depicts your style. For example, I'm an adventurous person. I love trekking. I love going on road trips. So when I go on such occasions, I love to wear jackets, boots, could be a leather pant and a nice t-shirts. If I'm at some traditional occasions like visiting temple, then I would love to wear an Indian wear, maybe a simple kurti or a salwar kameez. And when I'm at some red carpet occasions or guest appearances, then I would like to wear a beautiful long evening dress or a cocktail dress. And when I'm with my family and friends, I prefer to be as casual as I can.
For me, Bangalore is my second home after Bangalore. Like they say that Mumbai is the city of dreams, I say if you're willing to strive, Bangalore will give you all that you want. Right now, I'm at one of the most beautiful places in Bangalore, which is Bangalore Palace. I did my engineering here. I worked here at Accenture for almost 2 years. I started my modeling career here.
I'm a person who is really adventurous, who loves exploring nature, who loves going on nature walks, nature trails. Though it is Nandi Hills or for that matter anything else, I love to step out and go out, explore. It feels great that you have actually faced so many obstacles but you never give up and you climb throughout and then you reach the peak point. So I relate this with my life as well, that how many other times life puts you down, how many other times you face obstacles, you don't give up, you walk ahead and you make sure you reach the goal. And that's how my road to Miss Supranational 2016 has also been there. After I met our Chief Minister, and then I also met one of our finest actor of our state, Karnataka, which is Ambarish sir. And then there was something planned, a dinner party or something like that. But I didn't know it was a surprise thing. As soon as I entered, I could see a bunch of my friends and cousins, friends whom I never expected that they would be there. So I was so happy to look at them, and they were like cheering, screaming, clapping, and so happy. So thank you all. I love you all so much.
It's been about 3 months since I saw her last, so I'm very excited and very proud of her.
We are waiting here for more than 1 hour, and we are all so proud and excited to meet her.
India! 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 Srinidhi! 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 India! 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 Srinidhi! 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 Srinidhi!
It feels so great कि मैं वापस घर आ गई हूँ. होमली लगता है, अपना लैंड, अपना लोग, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स. और जैसे मैं एयरपोर्ट में आ गई, ऑलरेडी मतलब उनसे मिलने से पहले आई कुड हियर इंडिया इंडिया इंडिया. इट जस्ट फील्स सो ग्रेट टू सी दैट यू आर एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एज इंडिया एंड यू मेड होल कंट्री प्राउड. इट जस्ट फील्स लाइक अ ड्रीम, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि प्रिंसेस वाली ट्रीटमेंट, क्वीन वाली ट्रीटमेंट. एंड नाउ दैट आई एम अ विनर, तो जैसे मैं एयरपोर्ट से आ गई तो प्रिंसेस जैसा ट्रीटमेंट किया जा रहा है मुझे. आई फील लाइक अ स्टार नाउ, एंड डैड एंड एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. I just visited 2 of my favorite temples. एक है कटील की जो दुर्गा परमेश्वरी का टेम्पल है, जो देवी माँ का टेम्पल है. My mom used to visit that temple a lot. वहाँ से then I came to another temple, which is Bappanadu temple. I'm a person who is equally devoted and equally realistic. ऐसा नहीं कि आप टेम्पल में जाओ और बैठे रहो और प्रे करो कि ऐसा होना है, ऐसा करना है, यहीं पे रीच होना है, ये डेस्टिनेशन पे आई हैव टू रीच, और बैठे बैठे तो वो नहीं होगा. इट विल ओपन सेवरल डोर्स फॉर यू, बट उसके बाद का जो जर्नी आपको डिसाइड करना है, आपको हार्ड वर्क करके आपको अपना डेस्टिनेशन डिसाइड करना है कि कहाँ पे रीच होना है आपको. तो येस, I believe in God. I'm really devoted, but I really believe in working hard because there is no alternate for it. I started my day by visiting my dad's ancestral house, where my grandmother used to live, my dad's mom. And I was so happy to see that place and to visit that place because even few years, even I lived there, I was brought up there. जब भी मुझे कोई पूछता है कि तुम्हारा कौन सा part, जो तुम्हारे लाइफ में जो बेस्ट है तो तुम कभी भूल नहीं पाओगे या which is like incredible, तो for me हमेशा मेरे टिप ऑफ माई टंग में होता है कि माई स्कूल. द 10 years जो मैंने स्कूल में बिताया है वो टाइम, दैट इज़ माई बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. दिस वॉज रियली एक्साइटिंग कि मैं जा रही हूँ. तो आई वॉन्टेड टू विजिट दैट कैंपस, बट आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि कुछ ऐसा धमाकेदार होने वाला है. जैसे आई स्टेप्ड आउट ऑफ माई कार, आई वॉज एन NCC कैडेट, तो आई कुड सी ह्यूज लाइन, अ क्यू ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विद देयर NCC यूनिफॉर्म. और जैसे मैं कार से उतरी तो सब सावधान और चिल्लाने लगे, वो जो हमारे NCC के जो होते हैं कमांड्स. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज एन NCC कैडेट, हम ये सब करते थे जब कोई बड़ा पर्सन आते थे कॉलेज में, स्कूल पे, तो मैं भी होती थी उस लाइन में. और आज आई एम ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द पिक्चर.
I am very happy and glad that she represented India at the international level and she won the crown. We used to do all these crazy fun things at school, and actually this is my 7th standard class, and we used to sit in that last bench.
A lot of memories here. This is where I used to sit, and you can see there are NCC uniforms here because that's what even I was, one among these NCC cadets.
Srinidhi Shetty, she is a disciplined cadet of our institution. She actively participated in all the camps.
We had a science club, a very active club, and we had so many programs in science club. she was actively participating in the club, model preparation and seminars.
She has been the gunda of our gang, I can tell you. We had this 5 to 6 girls and we were always together. And I remember 10th standard was the best time, I can say. We used to hang out a lot at my place, and my mom used to cook really nice food for her and she would happily eat it.
She is a great inspiration to our school and all our students and NCCs. And you love me. So yeah, see, I'm like this. I was being like this, fun-loving, jovial, just smiling and cracking jokes and all that. And that's how I was even in my classes.
वहाँ से सीधा मुझे लेके गए ऑडिटोरियम पर, एक हॉल पर, जहाँ पे इतने सारे बच्चे बैठे थे, मेरे लिए इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, बहुत सारे बच्चे, और स्टेज में मुझे फिर लेके गए और मुझे फिर से फेलिसिटेशन किया गया था, और हर एक फैकल्टी ने आके मुझे फ्लावर्स दे दिया और सब साथ में बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स हो गए, बहुत सारे लोग मेरे बारे में बात किया. From my experience, I've moved from Mangalore to Bangalore and Mumbai, which is metropolitan cities, and people who live in apartments, and you don't find that bonding that I actually have experienced in my village, in my town. People hugging and people talking and genuinely wishing for you, genuinely rooting for you. That kind of bonding, that kind of love, sharing, compassion. So I missed it a lot. Road to supranational for me involved many aspects which had to work on or which had to be improved. So the first step towards this was being physically fit. Eight months ago, I was weighing 65 kgs, and I knew that this is not how I could enter Miss Diva. This is not how I could present myself, because myself was not confident enough to be there on that platform. When I was 65, I was disheartened, I was disappointed. I was so shattered within that I actually thought that I can never make it. Physically fit is as equally important as being beautiful or being intelligent. And I'm a person who actually loves working out. It could be any kind of physical activity. It could be dance, Zumba for 1 hour, and then controlling my food. Early morning, I used to wake up and go for a jog. And some days when I used to miss gym, I used to make sure that come back home and do yoga. I used to do Surya Namaskar. At the end, when I used to sweat, I used to feel so happy that yes, my day actually went well. I did something with my body. I actually worked out. I'm sweating. It was an amazing transformation for me, because from being 65 kgs to 50 kgs, losing 15 kgs in such a short span of 5 months. When this process was happening, in every level I was actually improving, emotionally, mentally. It actually boosts up your confidence level to another level. People say for being physically fit, 70% of food or your diet matters actually. What you eat, your diet matters the most. Having said that, I'm a foodie. I love food.
I could have never thought that Srinidhi would be a fitness freak, because back then she was a foodie. She can eat anything at any point of time.
She was just getting to know that in this field, fitness is very, very important, and she's got to work hard. She's got to get into that fitness freak mode. She's got into it now and she's achieved. We all can see who Srinidhi Shetty is now.
I actually control a lot of things because for me it was required at that point of time that I had an aim. Early morning I used to have a bowl of fruits, and then maybe, again for lunch sprouts, and again while for dinner it's just fruits. So it was just fruits, fruits, fruits. And here I am, physically fit. So my journey towards Miss Supranational 2016 does not just include being physically fit. It also includes your style, your attitude, your confidence, and most importantly, just be happy and just be yourself, because that's what I did. Hello, today I have my dad here and my second sister. My elder sister, she is in Mumbai. She just gave birth to a baby boy, so she couldn't make it. So yes, I have my dad and sister whom I fight a lot. But right now we are pretending to be very nice and goody-goody. My dad is my, pillar of strength and support. And my sister, we are like twins, we keep fighting and we actually quarrel a lot.
हम लोग इसे प्यार से मंजू बुलाते हैं.
बचपन का ड्रीम है वो डॉक्टर बनने का था उसको. डॉक्टर छोड़ दिया, इंजीनियर बन गया, इंजीनियर भी छोड़ दिया, अभी ये तुम्हारा मॉडल फील्ड में आ गया. वो उसको भी आता नहीं, उसको पान पिला दिया.
And tell me, no dad, आपको क्या ऐसा एक चीज़ जो मुझ में अच्छा नहीं लगता, या ऐसा लगता है कि मंजू को बदलना चाहिए?
ये क्या बात है?
क्या?
चिल्लाने का एक हम वो बदलना चाहता है.
मैं नहीं चिल्लाती हूँ. ये गलत तो इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं.
That she is, because she's always loud. Because she speaks with everybody, she's more talkative.
But I only chillifying only with dad, nobody else. अब मेरा अच्छा ही बोलो पापा.
अच्छा क्वालिटी.
He's thinking so much.
अच्छा क्वालिटी बोले तो ये क्या बात बोलता है? मैं अपने बारे में वो किधर भी जाएगा तो कौन सा ये नेशनल जाने दो, इंटरनेशनल जाने दो, एक पप्पो का नाम ले रहे हैं, वो ये अच्छा क्वालिटी.
He's only happy because I'm praising him. Oh, by the way, ये हम दोनों ने एक ही स्कूल में 10 साल साथ में, we did our schooling together. So we have a lot of stories, but which is never ending.
Because she grabs everybody's attention as soon as she enters the class, okay? I don't know the way she walks or the way she talks to people, but as soon as she comes to the class,
jealous?
Everybody looks at her. And I don't know what, I'm being elder sister, I'm not being treated like that.
अभी बताओ मिस सुप्रीनेशनल के बाद कैसे था?
All are coming and, congratulating me, and, all are like, just few people, they were like literally coming and taking selfie with me. It is something altogether different experience that we are going through now through her.
But yes, at this point when we are also happy and proud, I would definitely want to talk about my mom as well, because she isn't there. She passed away when I was in 10th. She is my angel. She will be my angel. I always feel that I'm like her. In every way, like could be talking, could be my qualities, and could be the way I work. But yes, things happen you never imagined that way. But yeah, I had my dad who took care of us, and who brought us the way we are now, and whatever we have achieved, it's because of him. Now that I've crowned as Miss Supranational 2016, my future plans are solely focused on Miss Supranational, because there's certain things that is given to me that I'm responsible for. So I'll be doing that. So yes, I will maintain the value and dignity of the crown that is given to me.